Once lived a Zen master, Bokuzu. He used to live inside a cave, alone most of the time. He would sometimes loudly say, Bokuzu, his own name, and the himself would say, Yes, I am here. He would do this anytime, day or night. There were some disciples who used to follow him. They would hear this. Disciples were not able to understand its reason. So one day asked him, Why do you call your name and then reply yourself to this? Bokuzu replied, Wherever I get into thinking, I have to remember myself to be alert. So I call my name Bokuzu loudly, and moment I can, yes, I am here, all the thinking and anxiety disappears. When Bokuzu got old, in his last days, for 2 or 3 years, he never called out his name. Disciple asked, Master, you used to say your name all the time, but now you never do this. Why so? Bokuzu replied, Because Bokuzu is always here. He is always there. Therefore, there is no need to call him. Previously, anxiety would take me, cloud all over me. So I had to call Bokuzu, and that time anxiety would disappear. When you feel deep anxiety, just call your name, not Bokuzu or any name, but your name, and then reply to it, Yes sir, I am here, and feel the difference. Anxiety will not be there, at least for a single moment. You will have a glimpse beyond the clouds, and that glimpse can be deepened. If you become alert, anxiety will disappear. You have to come to deep knowing of your own self and mechanism of inner working. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.